Hello guys, starting a new video. So today I'm going to show you guys what's inside here. This powder extinguisher, dry powder extinguisher. So first things first, before you try this at home, use your mask and make sure the extinguisher is empty. As you can see, here is full, here is empty. So mine is empty, it's safe to open. So and make sure you don't open it inside, because the powder that's inside here, it's a bit toxic, so open it outside. This old extinguisher. So let's go to it. So guys, we have here the extinguisher here, and I'm going to open it so you guys can see what's inside. So first, before you open, you have to make sure that there is no air inside, so that it doesn't explode. So I opened it.